I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Kashia Jabre, and today I'll be doing an unboxing / hair review. The company I will be doing today is Nadula Hair. You guys probably have heard of them. So when they reached out to me, they were very professional. I think they sent me my tracking number like Friday, and I received my hair on Monday. So I was really happy about that. So the package that the hair came in looks like this, and it says Nadula Hair, 100% virgin hair. And they also got their social medias on the bottom. I thought this was really cute. And then on the back they have hair care tips or whatever, how to treat their hair, and they just basically got like a summary of like who they are, their company, and stuff like that. So I really like the packaging, because most companies, they'll just send you like a bag or something, but they actually put a little bit of effort into it. I think it's really cute. Like, I wouldn't mind having it sitting on my dresser somewhere. When I open the box, this is what it well so they sent me a weaving cap, and they sent me a 18-inch Peruvian deep wave closure. Then I have two 22-inch Peruvian deep wave bundles. This is what they look like. And then I have a 20-inch bundle. So in all, I have 3 bundles and 1 closure. So I feel like the packaging is really chic. It actually tells you exactly what you got down here. So they got Peruvian on here, and they have the inch that I got it in. And I really like that, so I can keep track of what I got. So now I'm just gonna open it. So this is a 22-inch. Y'all, this hair is really soft. I like it. Y'all, I'm not getting no shedding like at all. You guys can't see my hands. I'm not getting no shedding. So this is one of the 22 inches. This is the other 22-inch. I kind of don't want to mess up the curl pattern, but I also want to run my fingers through it. Y'all, it's so soft. So around the hair, they have like a cute little label. On here it says virgin human hair, 100% virgin hair. And y'all, I'm not even sitting here capping. This hair is so soft. Okay, so this is what 2 bundles look like. This is my 22 inches. And it's thick. I can tell that it's gonna look really good on my hair. So now I'm gonna open up the 20-inch. Feels the same as the rest of them, really soft. I like it. So this is what all 3 of the bundles look like after I've ran my fingers through it. So y'all, I really took a chance with this, because as you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, or if you just watch one video, then you know that I'm natural. So I'm not against leave out, but if I could prevent it, I'm gonna prevent it. So I got a closure instead of getting an extra bundle, because I didn't want to damage my real hair. I got an 18-inch closure, and this is what it looks like. This hair feels exactly like how the bundles feel. I can't be rapping for free. They gotta send me the butt. So when I finally decide to put this in, I'm definitely gonna have to pluck it and add some baby hairs and whatnot. But overall, I'm content with this hair. It's really soft. I like it. Let me smell it. It just smells like weave. It doesn't have like a distinct smell. It's not like anything that you couldn't put up with. If you've had weave before, it just smells like weave. So you guys, overall, I really like the hair. It's really soft. I like how it feels. I like how it smells. But I am also going to do a follow-up on this hair, because, you know, sometimes it can be a little deceiving. Sometimes it can be nice in the beginning, but then it turns bad. So I'm going to have follow-ups on this hair. I'm going to leave all the information for Nadula Hair in the description box. So if you guys are interested to buy this hair, then I'm going to leave all of that down below. And this pretty much sums up my video. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button also. And until next time, love you. So y'all weren't gonna tell me it was some of my eyelash. Okay.
Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well.